Anything that you post to your blog will instantly be accessible by your students from school and home, and you can easily manage who gets to access them through passwords and privacy measures. Students can simply respond to blog posts and discuss topics through comments or our simple-to-use forums. Seamlessly produce a custom-designed, finely tuned, and engaging collaborative online publication by your class. Enjoy photocopying and stapling pages and pages of newsletters on a Friday afternoon? It's ridiculously simple to post class information, news, events, and more on your EduBlog. Your EduBlog can be used to glue together your students' blogs, which you can quickly create, co-manage, and even edit if needed. Love planning? Using an EduBlog can turn planning and reflecting on classes into a genuinely productive and even collaborative experience. In just a couple of clicks, you can embed online videos, multimedia presentations, slideshows, and more right into your EduBlog posts. EduBlogs makes it easy to organize groups by keeping everyone informed. You can use comments, forums, or even customized forms to collect feedback, survey data, or ask anyone you'd like to give input or ideas. EduBlogs are much more than just blogging tools. In fact, you can use your EduBlog to create a multi-layered, in-depth, multimedia-rich website that hardly looks like a blog at all.